Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to open your Mazda CX-30 hood. First, find the primary hood release lever, typically located on the driver's side near the footwell. Give it a firm pull. You'll hear a click as the hood partially unlatches. Now, head to the front of your vehicle to complete the process. It's a straightforward task once you know where everything is, making maintenance much easier. Once at the front, gently lift the hood a few inches. You'll need to reach underneath the front edge, right above the grille. Feel around for the secondary safety latch. This mechanism is designed to prevent accidental opening. Depending on your model, you'll either push it to the side or lift it upwards to fully release the hood.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. And on another note, while you're under the hood, why not make sure your car smells great too? Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With the secondary latch released, lift the hood all the way up. Look for the hood prop rod, which is typically clipped to the underside of the hood itself or near the engine bay. Carefully unclip it and insert the end into the designated slot on the engine bay frame. This ensures the hood stays securely open while you work, preventing any unexpected closures. When you're finished, carefully remove the prop rod from its slot and reclip it back into its original holder. This prevents it from rattling or getting damaged. Now, gently lower the hood until it's about 12 inches above the closed position. Do not force it down or slam it from a great height, as this can cause damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.